Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to remove LG monitor back cover. Before removing the back cover, safety first, turn off the monitor and unplug all cables. Place the monitor on a safe, soft surface. Avoid using excessive force. Do not touch the internal circuit board and discharge any static electricity. Let's see step-by-step guide for removing the back cover. Step number 1, identify screw location. Screws are usually located around the stand mount area, inside the input-output port, along the bottom edge, and behind side cover or rubber caps. Step 2. Remove all screws. Use the correct screwdriver. Remove all screws from the location identified. Release the clip. The back cover is held by plastic clip around the edge. Use a plastic opening tool or pit. Start a corner or a bottom edge, gently insert the tool between the back cover and bezel. Twist slightly to release the first clip. Work your way around the edges, release each clip. Then go to simply step 4, lift and remove the back cover. Once all clips are released, gently lift the back cover away from the monitor. What you need to fix the or remove the back cover. You just need to Phillips screwdriver, plastic opening tool, small flat tool, soft cloth or towel, container for screw. After removal, you can now clean the inside, access the power board and main board for other component to reassemble, uh, align the cover, press around the edge to snap the clip back and reinstall all cover. Today video tips are: work slowly and patiently. If a clip feels stuck, check for any missed screw. Take picture during disassembly for easy to reassembly. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.